Hey, here's a short video about Elgin's last US-made watches that were used for railroad service. And both of these watches were named after Benjamin W. Raymond. He was one of the founders of the Elgin Watch Company. But the watches are mainly known by collectors as the BW Raymond. Now the watch on the left is a key set key wind size 18 pocket watch, and it was the first railroad pocket watch that Elgin produced, and it was made in 1867. Now, it was a 15 jewel adjusted pocket watch. And the last US produced BW Raymond was this wristwatch. It was first produced in 1960 to 1964, and it was the last of the BW Raymonds that were made in the United States, and it had 23 jewels. So the popular BW Raymond was first introduced in 1867 and was continued until 1964. And after that, it was replaced by a Swiss-made movement.